Welcome guys, welcome everyone. Hey, welcome chat, how you doing? Happy Monday times, are you guys ready for a $500 cash giveaway today? Let's go guys. Wish you an amazing week. Wish you the best times out there. Welcome everyone. Good morning, good evening. Let's go. Invite your friends, invite your community members. Come on. Invite everyone on board, guys. Good morning, welcome everyone. So, the giveaway is going to be from here. That's the link right there in the chat. I'm also pasting the link in our Discord community, guys. So we're live. We're live and we're ready to fly. What a beautiful time out here. 500 bucks will be shared today. Plus $50,000 Ticktick trader. Instant funded, right? So here's the link. That's a place you want to sign up. Let's go. Thank you guys for joining, by the way. The more people you invite, certainly the less chances you have. Certainly, guys. Cheers, everyone. We're enjoying our live account generated from our Ticktick trader performance. Had a $400 or $500 today loss already, and I've stopped trading today on my live account from Ticktick trader. That being said, you know. But we're looking at the hourly markets on the Nasdaq. We clearly touched a significant resistance coming from a lower high structure of a trending line, so it's clear so far that's bothering us. But at the same time, from the lows, we're nicely building, so you can clearly see that, guys. Good morning, welcome guys, great to see you, so happy to see you. I'm so happy about all the days we've got live stream. Let's go everyone, come on. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video, guys. Everyone, just hit that like button. We're looking for a great session. I'm also going to ask you at some point, but let me just pin the message. If we get to the all-time high this week for Nasdaq, if I move into the daily, is our all-time high is around 250 points away from here. Like, this is definitely not looking bad at all. Look at this chart. You can't blame this one to be bearish. Probably a sell-off today and a closing below Friday's candlestick would be pretty problematic and would probably go for our gap. Starts from 25,720s, right? But at some point, I'm going to ask you if we're going after the gap this week or probably around November. We'll see. Yet, however, today we're looking really good, guys, for a strong market continuation. It depends what do we get on the New York session, but... oh. Let me see if there is something to adjust. Maybe if I adjust it from the settings, but it should work. It's hard to expect on Mondays, just like on Fridays. It's the combination of days, Mondays and Fridays, with but also we've got a starting month out here period, so the probabilities out there are hard to be digested. It's something that I'm keeping myself away of It looks bullish for the moment, but this thing obviously, if it finds a critical sell-off today and we are turning the whole thing around, which is not difficult, 120 points, and you make this whole chart look totally different, then I think we're going to go for a continuation down to fill up the gap here. But that really depends, of course, on a lot of the things, so... You make your daily very important, guys. Very, very important. We're trading today all the accounts that we have, except my live trading account from Ticktick Trader, which is something that I had around $500 to $600 lost today. I don't want to trade on that anymore today. We're continuing tomorrow. But we got the first payout pretty quickly from Ticktick Trader live account. You actually get your payout in a couple of hours, right? So once you request your payout from the live account, you're getting it in a couple of hours. Ticktick Trader prop firm, let me share with you the link, by the way. Still running a huge discount out there for the Ticktick Trader. $280 per account. This is the model we win and reach the live trading sector by having $10,000 accumulated in our live threshold wallet. We have a dedicated video for that one. You can see that on my channel. But you know, today we're looking forward to an amazing day, certainly, and the whole week has to be really productive. You know why? Because I'll take you to a process right now. Let me share with you something, guys. Let me share with you something. Look at that one. These are the accounts that you have to see. Tremendous accounts. Look at that one, guys. Oh my god. 5 accounts, yeah, but 3 accounts are copy traded like that. They do accept crypto as a payment, and on top of that, if you pay through crypto, you get an extra 5% if you use Scrambo as coupon code. By the way, Scrambo as coupon code pretty much everywhere is attached with the biggest discounts. Right, so these are the first 5 days on my Lucid. Lucid Direct 150k, first 5 days. We have $350 to be made. And we can take a $9,000 payout. $3,000 on each account, $9,000 totally. Right, so let me share with you guys the Lucid link. A lot of the money out there. 9k from a couple of days of trading is good money. Right, so we're gonna start trading with this one today. Certainly concerned about the resistance trending line we have right above. That is quite heavy. Certainly concerned about it. Dynamic swing and short gave us nice support here. It's a beautiful reaction, which means the bullish algos are turned on. Good morning, welcome guys. Thank you so much for joining, appreciate it. Make sure to like the video, everyone. We've got $500 in cash giveaway today. Right, so let me share with you also my Discord. You gotta be on our Discord to participate the giveaway too. You have to be there, you have to like the video, you gotta be subscribed. We're streaming from 8 AM EST time daily with a lot of the giveaways. Today we've got the cash formula, because I told you the first payout I'm taking from my live account is fully going back to the community. Pretty uncertain for me here. On the 1 minute, we do have a trending resistance coming through, so we might react from there. I'll be careful with the sizings. There you go. There you go. We have a lot of the things amongst the indicators right now active, such as the daily openings. We use the weekly, monthly, yearly opening too. EMAs. 200 days, most likely the ones that I'm using. Daily, volume weighted average price, weekly, monthly, 12 months. We have the dynamic and short swing VWAP as well that we've recently touched bases on. That is working. So you will be able to pause the video and especially on the replay and have a look into them. Decisions are not made based on the indicators, but we can collect information that at some point could be useful. Of course, utilizing multiple indicators is most of the time setting the trader in a way more difficult situation than without. Because on top of the indicators, we also need to go price action. Without price action representation, which I think is way more accurate because it speaks about the momentum itself in a close to real time compared to what does the indicators have the ability to portray. Yeah, so we're trading our Lucid today, our Tap 1 futures. We're going to trade today Tap 1 futures. Yeah, we have our account here with a Tap 1 futures. We have traded today our live account from Ticktick. And we're going to trade today our Savius accounts too, right? So 4 different accounts will be traded today. Welcome everyone, great to see you guys. Happy to see you out here. 500 bucks for the giveaway. I'm gonna bother you, of course, with this one. I'm gonna bother you. Morning everyone, welcome. Market's getting concerned with the rate cut possibility by the FOMC. 67%, guys. Powell was pretty hawkish. So I like to see the US shut down stopping, probably in the first half of the month. I'd like to see that, and then we'd like to see some numbers, of course, correlated with the economy. And then I'd like to see this representation getting back above 75%, above 80% for the 10th of December. Another 25 basis points cuts. Besson said yesterday, certain parts of the economy do face difficulties, significant difficulties. Right, so... No, it does not go away. On Savius, the intraday remains. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. Intraday remains. Unfortunately, I'm telling you. Would be much better without an intraday after your trailing reaches your initial balance, but it's not stopping there because it's a daily intraday condition on Savius. The max loss stops when you're crossing your numbers, but the daily loss is basically for the day. Thank you guys for joining. I don't know anything. But our prayers go to our community member. AC is a great trader. Right? He's having a major surgery. It's posted about in our Discord. He didn't let us know anything about it. Wish him the best out there. He's a great trader, a great person. He did one of the times a giveaway, and he decided to give out his giveaway. Right, so he donated his account. He's a great guy. Wish him the best out there. Well, look at the markets, guys. They do have a initiative here of forcing the breakout. 20 points movement in this 5-minute candle right from the red line.
Order filled.
Testing out 3 contracts long. Because I'm not really seeking making that much. We only need $300, $350 totally, and we still have 2 days. Yeah. Market opens in an hour. It's not now. Good morning, welcome guys. I do trade a live account, yes, and I do trade a lot of personal accounts on the crypto space, swing trading. But I do also have a live account from Ticktick Trader Achieved. So we're also on the live markets and the live environments too. Moving the stop loss break even, that would be the first successful trade. Come on, just a little more. Keep going, guys. Keep going, buddy. What have you done there? Why did you get stuck?
Order filled.
Beautiful, guys. $260 the target has been touched for today. Fireworks show. Look at that. Come on. We need something around $100 more tomorrow, and we are ready to qualify for a $9,000 payout. $100 tomorrow, and we go for a $9,000 payout. Good job. Good job, guys. This is where we are. You can do the math. You can do the math. So the highest day, which is the highest day? 1,823, right? On 28th. That's my highest day, 1,823. We have 20% consistency. Times 5. We will discover how much do we need to do. 9,115. 9,115. And we have 9,049. So that's how much? Around $65 more. $66 more tomorrow. Let's put it that way, $70. Yeah, $66 exactly. $70 right there, and we're taking the payout from Lucid. Not even forcing more, not even needing more. It's perfect, guys. It's perfect. Besides their Lucid Direct accounts, they also have their Lucid test, which are challenges, and the 50K test is just $74, right? Massive discount right now. Make sure you utilize the coupon code Scramble for the highest discounts available. This coupon code on any prop firm we're dealing with is attached to big numbers there. Biggest number is existent. I'd like to do copy trading on my other Lucid accounts. Right, we do have 2 more instant funded. which are not sitting in the same situation. They have a 2,200 drawdown. We're below the initial balance here. And you see, guys, this is why it's important if you have multiple accounts not to do copy trading on all the accounts without creating groups of copy trading. And let me rephrase this. If you have 5 accounts, don't do copy trading on all the 5. Do copy trading in 2 groups and put 3 accounts in a group, 2 accounts in the other. That's my suggestion, guys. Because I started these 2 groups, including a total of 5 accounts at the same time. And the second group has this performance, which is not the same like the first group, right? Certainly not the same. We finished the week on $2,600 down. If I would have been copy trading on all my accounts, this specific, then obviously results would not have been the same. Now, because I went in a defensive form, I'm going to take a $9,000 payout. Excluding the entire leverage. Yeah, we traded, buddy. We traded, buddy. Trading all the accounts separated is definitely not making sense. Connecting a few will obviously give us top notch. Thank you, by the way, for joining. A retest of the breakout might come in around the 55. That would be interesting. To go for a Ray contracts limit order 55, 56. Testing a 2 limit orders there. Also connecting my Ignite accounts on Tap 1 futures, which is, by the way, running extremely high discounts. 55% with my code. Now, I need another trading day because I have 7 trading days on Lucid and the minimum trading day is 8. So there is no reason for going that one today when I also have to trade another trading day. $500. Yes. Eight days, we've got 7, we gotta do another one, and that's why we're slowing down. Looks like the reaction came in a little earlier. We got front run. I no longer need the limit buys here. Moving into the 15 minute, let me share with you, where are we? 1 hour. Critical level, guys. $120 already joined. 120. We missed our entry with a couple of points. We traded a live account today. $600 down. I don't want to touch this today anymore. Our daily loss limit at 1,500 basically. But certainly it is a Monday, beginning of the month. And I'm gonna call it a day on $600 for the live account, which is nicely connected for the trade evade. Resuming the trading on this live account tomorrow. But certainly today I can go up to 5 contracts, 5 minis. 4 or 5 minis around that one. 4 or 5 minis. We're gonna trade our Savius too today. There is room here for a little speculation, a couple of points to the upside, in case the market wants to reverse, but you see it's quite dangerous. And that's why we're waiting. Yeah, I did. Did trade early basically in the session. Let me share with you guys. So here, this is the place, right? We had an internal downtrending resistance line coming in conjunction with multiple things, such as the daily volume weighted average price was there. It was there. At the time we touched that one, I was shorting around the 70s. 70, 72. I was shorting that one, expecting basically a pullback like this. Without actually requiring to go deeply. No, or back to the daily opening. No, but simply 10-15 points pullback. Instead, we just ripped to the high. We did 100 points. Basically, we broke out of the trending line that up to that point gave us a nice rejection. And we were moving from the 20s, right, all the way into the 70s without any significant representation of the bears. So that was a point where I did expect that their presence. I shorted, pretty much the short didn't play it out. I cut it at $600 and I accepted that $600 loss. We had a conjunction of bearishness around that level that didn't play it out. We broke out and we just went with aggressiveness. For example, here, the 15-minute closing we had was really strong and bullish, which is why I would actually long this. Couple of points to the upside.
Order
Let's find
filled.
it out, guys. On my tap on futures, couple of points to the upside. Not gonna be greedy, but there's a couple of point liquidity room, which I would be happy to take that away from the market makers. Let's go, guys. Come on. Make sure to like the video, everyone. 500 bucks in giveaway in cash, plus another giveaway too. On this giveaway, everyone that will participate and sign up the list is going to be part, right? So the duck race will include probably more than 100 people. And we're going to have multiple rounds. We're going to filter the first 10 and so on. We're going to filter that way. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, guys.
Order filled.
Adding 2 contracts on my Lucid too. If it holds here, the 15 minute should wick above. But we'll see. $15 is not looking that terrible. Welcome, everyone. Thank you guys for joining. 500 bucks cash giveaway. Think about it.
Order filled.
Coupon code Scramble pretty much everywhere for the best discounts existent. I'm also going to trade 5 Lucid test accounts today. So not just the Lucid Direct that are funded. I'm also going to trade 5 challenges today and see what we can do there. Planning to do a lot. Looks decent so far. Certainly not scary. The scary version is going to be, just like we had it last time, that tweezer candlestick. Right? That parallel significant red candle engulfing the green one. Pretty much similar in both sizes. Ho ho. That showcases a dangerous thing. But for the moment here,
Order filled.
we have DC'd another contract. You know, I'm just looking forward to catching some liquidity above.
Order
Not
filled.
more than that. The current market scenario favors taking the previous wick and then reversing. Yeah. It's going to be a pretty interesting giveaway, guys. But make sure you sign up. Make sure you sign up. This is the first payout we had from the Ticktick Trader live account. And I've mentioned we're going to share this with community members. Also, you got to join on our Discord.
Order filled.
Let's go. Expecting to see some rejection.
Order filled.
Nah, looks like the bulls have been disappearing. No more buyback here. We're gonna see if the 65 holds, which is certainly a level. Otherwise, I'm gonna cut this. Otherwise, I'm gonna cut this if it's not capable. Indeed. But we do expect their presence from my understanding, and here it is, guys. Not to underestimate. Let's go, come on. Bring it up, boys. There is gonna wicks above the trending line. We gotta have wicks. That's where the liquidity comes. Even if they want to short the markets, they gotta short the markets from the liquidity generated from the retail exits. Retail exit is going to appear above 83. 82, 83. You get retail exit there, which is the place I'm exiting off my long. Let's go, guys, come on. 15 minute looks beautiful. So you always want to enter the markets, especially if you're doing swing trading, where the retail is exiting the markets. You would want to exit the markets where they enter the markets. And this is following the philosophy of the institutional trading, which actually requires to build that liquidity for them to build their positions, because they cannot click like we click and have tremendous amount of sizings open it. No, they need to generate the liquidity for their sizings, for their positions. So for them to generate the liquidity, they got to bring the markets into levels of liquidity. These levels of liquidity are stop losses, trailings, very obvious levels that we know people set their denial type of trading, right? Very obvious levels. Thank you, guys. Let's go. We're gonna increase this one a little bit higher in case the market has a liquidity blow off. Time to go break even. If this is reversing from here, it's a problem. I don't want to be partying along if it's reversing, so I gotta go break even right now. Let's go, guys. Come on. Couple of points out there. Couple of points out
Order
there.
filled.
Beautiful. There you go. I told you. Liquidity blow off. 1,455 on 2 accounts. That's $3,000. So all the 5 accounts on Lucid are profitable, hitting the target today. Come on. We're not speaking nonsense. Make sure to like the video, everyone. No partials. We also touched the target here on the tap on futures, 291 bucks. I'd like to make more here. I'd like to make my 500. Let me share with you the way the account looks for October. Look at that one, guys. This is our trading performance for this two accounts because it's copy traded for October. Look at that. With a risk and reward that is negative, which means our stop losses are bigger than the take profits and our targets for the day. We are running on a negative risk and reward, and we got to be blamed for that. You see, the reality is different. If you do the math, you will see even with a negative risk and reward, we're profitable, which is way harder, because that's why others say we shouldn't use it. I'm not using here a $500 target because I don't want to make more money, right? I'm using $500 target because the equity stability score with this account is forcing me to do that. Otherwise, think about if I would let all my positions here for a little more, or just some of them to continue, let the winners run, this would have been way more profit. Thank you, guys. $500 cash giveaway. Connecting my other accounts that are Ignite as well. We have some more. Actually, we have a lot of them. So all the 5 on Lucid hit the target. I'm gonna lock myself out for the whole day. Even from the other ones, I'm gonna lock myself out for the whole day. This is extremely important. One more day for 3 accounts, good to go for $9,000 payout, hoping that it's gonna be tomorrow. We're green pretty much everywhere. And the most important accounts that are green today, except the live account with a Ticktick on Trade-A-Bit, where we had a $600 loss. I got nervous and frustrated on that, and I don't want to trade anymore today on that account. But with a sim-funded environment, it's a little bit different. So this, and it's 3 accounts like this because we're copy trading this, is needing one more day, $70, and we're taking $9,000 payout. Yeah. $70, guys. $70 tomorrow. $9,000 payout on Lucid. Do not underestimate. I'm trading a lot of the contracts usually between 5 and 7, 8, 9. So I'm trading a lot of the minis. That's how my strategy is adjusted. We're gonna run some trading on Lucid test accounts, right? We're gonna do some trading on Lucid test accounts. Oh, look at that one! Whoa! Ho ho! Look at this beautiful movement, guys. You wouldn't say so, but we broke out. You see what's the liquidity? We broke out. That was a tremendous trending line we had there. Tremendous one. In 2 minutes, let me share with you the 1-minute candles. Oh, look at that. What a 1-minute candle. 190s all the way to 260s. 70 points, 60 points, right? 60 points in a minute. We had so much liquidity above that trending line. So much liquidity. So there is a lot of the stop losses getting hit trailings. Plus, look at this one, guys. Opening a single contract here. One more.
Order filled.
2 contracts on my Lucid. This is a Lucid test account. We only have $500 drawdown. Only $500 drawdown. This are challenge accounts. Adding one more contract
Order
here on
filled.
my tap one.
Order filled.
530 for the target on the tap one. Come on, bring it up, boys.
Order
I think we
filled.
touched the target here. We touched the target on tap one. I'm also exiting from
Order
my Lucid
filled.
test accounts, 138. It's not much, but on the tap one, we made 521. We catch that. We have catch that, guys. We're going to celebrate because this is great money. Another target has been hit, and this is copy traded, so it's 4 accounts. Leader plus 3. Yep. Ho-ho. That's beautiful, guys. NVIDIA, come on. Market's flying, market's ready. The only thing that is not capable of doing anything is the Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin and the crypto space, let alone the altcoins, are totally dead. Make sure to like the video, so hopefully they recover. Yeah. NVIDIA is going to 250, 300s. 250, 300s. Even without chips, they're still in selling, guys. $17 active funded accounts on Tap 1 futures. Well, if we look into their program, you can have 3 out of their end of the day sim funded. 3. Plus Sim Pro 5, that's 8. And then the Ignite 6. 8 plus 6 is actually 14. 14 accounts. With Tap 1 futures, we've got bigger discount than they're giving you. So Scramble is giving you 55 more than what they're giving you out there. Probably market's ripping today. But I'd like to see 30% pump on the BTC. Hopefully by the end of November, Thanksgiving, we're seeing this one around 130 grand. We're seeing Ethereum around the all-time highs condition, close to 5 grand. It's just a wish, guys. It's not a prediction. It's just a wish. We're going to trade this Ignite account as well. We got one more. And we'll trade our Savius accounts too. 25 minutes to go and we're flying. You might be, if you calculate the challenge, yeah, that's a different thing. I was only thinking about the instant funding. Yes, you can purchase a maximum in each category, but you cannot copy trading between your categories, right? So each category needs to be traded separated. You can copy trade inside your category, yes, but you cannot copy trade in both categories or all the 3 or all the 4 categories, no. For example, if you have, out of the new Ignite version number 2 accounts, right? The new Ignites, 6 accounts, you can copy trade all the 6. But if you also have instant sim funded accounts, which is end of the day drawdown, and they're really good out there, $400 for the 150k is a great deal. 3 accounts, you can't trade this category with the other category as a copy trading formula. But you can actually have out of the multiple categories, yes, you can have. Beautiful drop out here. $500. No activation fee. These accounts are basically instant funded, right? So for the top one, it's instant funded. If you're looking for the instant funding, it's no activation because you don't pass a challenge. Equity stability score on Ignite accounts. The current Ignite accounts do not have equity stability score anymore, right? So they have a 15% consistency, guys. I had the old Ignite accounts still available, which is what I traded earlier, and they used to have equity stability score, but they changed that, and their new Ignites do not have equity stability score anymore, simply consistency. If you care about no activation, cheap challenge account, Lucid is giving it at 74. That's a big deal, guys. 74 bucks, no activation fee. You can pass your challenge in a single day. Pass the challenge in a single day. Come on, guys, like the video and join the giveaway. We got 2 giveaways today. The $500 cash, which is going to be a total special one, and another giveaway $50,000 straight to Funded Plus account from the Ticktick trader. 50K straight to Funded Plus, which is running on a profit score system. No consistency. How about funded accounts with no consistency? Think about unique model. Ticktick trader has it. Could easily drop all the way into the 200s, easily.
Order
Let me see if we
filled.
can do that.
Order filled.
Into the 200s. Come on. Yes, this is the same link for both giveaways. It's every day like that. We're streaming from 8 a.m. EST time daily. Giveaways, instant funding accounts, and we're trading live. Exactly, 74 bucks without fee for a 50K account. The payout is 1,500 bucks. Right, so you pay $74 to cash out 1,500 once you're funded. $8 a.m. EST time, daily, streaming. The technique actually requires to go momentum trading on volatile markets with quickly break even. Right, so I've suggested on my Discord community as well, once you have 6-7 points in your direction, you want to go break even with your stop loss quickly. That's going to help you a lot. 6-7 points, you go break even quickly. That's a very good method, but you need good volatility markets. Right, so I'm also waiting here with my break even. I'm going to move it pretty quickly to break even. I hope this is continuing and we don't stop here. Otherwise, simply I'm just
Order
I'll get
filled.
out. I'll get out because this is risky for another momentum to the upside. You know, we had a chance, and the market missed it. No, Ticktick Trader will not give you none of the prop firms. Ho ho. I'm not trading on Apex at all, guys. Apex trading conditions are not for me and not for traders. No. It would be good for the live accounts to be on Project X. This is the most preferred platform these days amongst the fresh ones. Right, so trade of it is really enjoyed. We do know that. Here's the link, guys, for Lucid. Coupon code Scramble for the highest discounts available. Always, always. We're close to 200 people on live. Because we got a $500 giveaway. Accepted a temporary loss here, not an issue. But I certainly think that the market should revisit at least the red line from the dynamic VWAP, which is around the 200s. Let alone we can also revisit 190s, the point we started the pump. Get back also to this trending line we broke out. So there's a whole lot of the thing that sits right there. If they accumulated some nice shorts here, look at that.
Order
Testing
filled.
out a short. We don't have much cushion out here. Our cushion level is only $400, $500. Shorting the markets here on my tap 1-2.
Order filled.
If this level holds here, obviously I'm going to get out. You can use Project X on the firms that do have Project X integration. You can't use Project X when the firm is not having it. The day so far is great. We touch basically the targets on our Lucid accounts, especially the accounts that are having priority are the 3 accounts where we only need $70 more for a $9,000 payout. $70 more, one more day of trading, $9,000 payout. I'll show you guys the accounts very soon. Those are the priority of today. Live account is the only one that got shot today, $600 loss. Not any problem, but I stopped trading there on live account today. We got $600 down. Tap 1 futures went really good. All hit the target. And now we're playing some with our Lucid test accounts, the challenge. They do have only $400 drawdown here. I don't like
Order
this anymore.
filled.
I have to cut it away. If it's not getting rejected, I'm gonna cut it away. Nah.
Order filled.
I don't like this anymore, guys. I have to cut it away. I'm not American, no. I'm from Europe. From Hungary. From Hungary. Ideally speaking, well, that's a great question. Now, I'd like to tell you that for those of you that today are not profitable, do have to consider there is a process of becoming profitable traders. And if you are working in that process, at some point, obviously, you become profitable. What does it mean to be in a process? It means to invest money in your knowledge, in your experience, and gain resources. Right, so... No, we have already cashed out. We already cashed out the money we're sharing as giveaway. We got paid from Ticktick Trader in a couple of hours. Right, so Ticktick Trader, once you get to live... Yeah, Budapest has a Bitcoin bar. Once you get to live on Ticktick Trader, you can cash out daily multiple times, and you get paid in a few hours. So we already cashed that out. I trade minis on my live account. Minis, only minis. Thank you, by the way, guys, for joining. Make sure to like the video. Join on board with the $500 cash giveaway.
Order filled. Order filled.
Testing out for long all the way into 30s. We might have a bit of momentum going around here. The Lucid test accounts only have $350 room. I'm going to do a
Order
single
filled.
contract here on the Lucid test. And have my target around the 30s over here as well. I only trade minis, and a lot of the minis most of the time. We're pretty much limited here on this accounts, but putting the stop loss on break even on my tap on futures. Come on. Bring it up, boy. Putting the stop loss over here as well. Safety first. Couple of points above my entry. There are situations when rejection could mean sufficient denial for your theory to be still pushed. You don't want to get stubborn about something that you just wish and maybe the markets are not intending to complete, right? So the psychology game with the break-even condition, which is what I do, is helping me a lot. If we talk about the instant funding, then it's around $1,000. If we talk about the Lucid test accounts, you know, a couple of hundreds of bucks. If we talk about the live account, couple of hundreds of dollars up to maximum 1,500, which is my own daily loss set. Pretty good looking so far. I like the way it's climbing slowly and slowly to the upside. I certainly like that. So daily loss limit helps you guys. Even when it comes down to your Lucid trading 50K, the test accounts here, no activation fee. You can pass them in a single day. No consistency, obviously. $1,200 daily loss limit. A lot of the people complain about it because it gets hit. And then obviously they cannot trade for the day, they cannot revenge, they cannot get frustrated and just, you know, trade out of pure emotional condition. They can't do that. They can't gamble themselves out of the situation, so they get angry about it. But I'm telling you, honestly, it helps you a lot to have a daily loss limit. And the most important part is that after the daily loss limit, you have to be blocked from trading on that account. This is the superior way of dealing with a daily loss. Why? Because a lot of the people return trading if they're not blocked, return trading, and have a much bigger loss or pretty much blow the account. I'll show you the settings soon on my other Ignite accounts. I have liquidate and block. So at a certain level, I have liquidate and block. That's it. If you touch that level, liquidate by position, which means to do a market sell order or a buy order, and then block me out of the trade. I don't like this rejection here. I'm out.
Order filled.
We have a decent profit. Over here as well, I
Order
gotta get
filled.
out, guys. You know, that 180 actually helps me. Welcome, guys. Great to see you, everyone. So let me share with you where you go liquidate and block. Here. You want to go under your settings. Risk settings. And you have your personal daily loss limit. You want to set there whatever value you consider. For example, 1,500. And then your personal daily loss limit action, it needs to be liquidate and block, which closes your position and it blocks you for trading for the day. That's tremendous. So we got to trade live on Ticktick Trader, and we had this $1,500 daily loss limit set. And we got to $30,000 in payouts. Top 1 futures, we got $41,000 in payouts from accounts we had the daily loss limit set with liquidated in block. I don't know a lockout future for Quant Tower. Not aware about that one. Might be. This looks like wants to go
Order
higher.
filled.
If it has momentum here, I would be happy to be
Order
part
filled.
of a stronger move. Let's see if we can catch something.
Order filled.
2 contracts right there as well. Might be a point where we get stuck. 7 minutes to go, guys. Come on. The momentum has been for the upside. I do have a code. It funded next. Scramble is my code there. Yes, you can use it. But I'm not really trading on funded next at the moment. Yes, I use trade of it risk setting. 1,500 is already set up. But I'd like to have even lower than that. If I am not feeling the day, I certainly go lower than that. Like today, 600 bucks. No more today.
Order filled.
Adding one more contract here. Also on my Lucid one.
Order filled.
Beautiful. Have DC8 into profit. Keep going, buddy. That 800 bucks target right there, or 239, would actually help us a lot. About 5 minutes to go. We have 172 people join the giveaway. Target is a little bit too high here for my take profit. Putting my break even. Things could actually get pretty dangerous here. Also in this case scenario, I'll have to go break even. Market is going to get some volatility in the next seconds. We have the 5-minute algo.
Order filled.
And there you go. Well, if you like their conditions, they're paying people, no problems with that for sure. But certainly, I think the firms we have been filtering and deciding to trade on do offer much better trading conditions, much better trading conditions. So I like the Lucid $3,000 payout structure on this 150K account. You can have 5 accounts, so you can take 15K. From a single session, you can have 6 cycles. So from a single cycle, you can take $15,000. 6 cycles, that's basically 90 grand right there. We're a market maker from the sim-funded environment, right? This is the strongest way of being a market maker. This is not an easy trading condition out here, guys. Look at that. You know, this level could be easily touched. Easily touched. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. For the 500 bucks giveaway, everyone that have joined our giveaway form today will be on the duck race. Everyone. So we're gonna have a few rounds of duck races for the $500 cash. Which means for the $500 cash, we don't have guess the number. It's gonna be a different way. There's gonna be more than 170 ducks swimming around. But I'm sure that $500 is gonna help. Well, it's a giveaway. Don't forget to join our Discord. Now, $500 to a single person. We're gonna do more than this, guys. We're gonna do more. Right, so we're gonna do more in the future. This way, with $500, people can, you know, spend some part of this money into things they want, and at the same time, they can buy an account, or 2 or 3 accounts, or 4 or 5 or 6, 7, depends where, but they can buy. Or they can actually buy a heavy instant funding one or 2. One minute to go and the market opens. No. I have never promoted prop shop. Never ever promoted prop shop trader. You're confusing the persons. Yeah. We never promoted prop shop. We talked about prop shop on our Discord community, and I have told people to avoid it. So hopefully our community listened and they avoided. I'm not trading gold. 30 seconds to go, guys. I'm a swing trader since 2014 in the crypto space. Some community members got denied. And certainly we don't want to touch them. Certainly it is something that I'm avoiding. Couple of seconds and we go live, guys. With a New York session. Putting this one back. So, opening bell. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Market's getting hot. We don't have a brutal opening. Nothing special in terms of the risks right here on the openings. Russell 2000s are dying, but you know, Nvidia is crazy, especially with the deal they had. Look at a nice pump. That's the initial move, which is what takes Nasdaq up as well. You know, the S&P, guys, crossing 7,000 on the S&P. S&P might touch that 69 here. This level. Right? This level. And then run. So you get Nvidia pumping, Nasdaq pumping, and the S&P is dying. Savius is good. Right, so we trade with Lucid, Tap One, Ticktick, and Savius. These are the 4 firms that we're trading. None of them have any problems. If you guys have questions or stuff, any difficulties, any challenges with these firms, you can always reach out on our Discord. You can reach out to me in a direct message, and I'm helping you with things. This is a potential level of minor reversal.
Order filled.
So I'm testing a little if this rejection here holds. Let's see. Pretty bearish on the micro, but still, you see the external influences for the markets are bullish. So we have the impulse to the upside. There's a contradiction out here. Adding
Order
one more
filled.
to this contract.
Order
Now,
filled.
I'm cutting it away. Opening my short
Order filled.
on the top 1 futures.
Order
Cutting it
filled.
away. Nah. Nope. Not for the moment. This is the place you join Discord, guys. Yeah, that's how we build ourselves for the live account, from the straight to funded plus, from the Ticktick. I mean, it's comfortable because you don't have consistency.
Order filled.
Open up another short here.
Order filled.
2 contracts short on our top 1. Also open up the Savius. Let's see what we can do with a Savius. $193 for our Lucid accounts.
Order filled.
The Lucid test accounts. Let's see if we can catch something out here, like 50 points move. We're out
Order filled.
from the top 1 futures, made $600, fully confirmed. Beautiful. Let's see if we can catch something here. On our Lucid test accounts, come on guys. Yep. I'm trading on my TTT live account 4 or 5 contracts, 4 or 5 minis maximum, but I'm happy to trade also less than that, not an issue. Look at that one. I'd love to see for a Nasdaq a retest of 180s. This level, guys. So I'm going for the 180s on the target. Look at that one. This is what we're trading. Come on. I think this level breaks. We had a horizontal demand. I think that level breaks. No trailing for the moment. Only $70. Yeah. No, single mini contract is different. 4 or 5 is total different. 400 or 500 difference in the percentages is. Plus, on top of that, with Ticktick Trader live account, you're not limited to a preset number of contract. You can trade depending on your equity size, right? So, depending on your equity size, I've been told for Nasdaq for the moment, it is around $1,600, $1,700 for a single mini. That's what I've been told by the risk department from Ticktick, right? So depending on your equity, if you have a 50 grand equity, you can trade way more. Welcome, guys. Great to see you, everyone. Make sure to utilize the coupon code SCRAMBLE pretty much everywhere. Highest discounts available every single time. Let's go. It's not looking bad here for a continuation, if you're asking me. I don't think this level, but you see, with the market opening, things can actually get dirty. We're going for that target I told you earlier. And this might be a decent level for a trailing here. We're trailing there. Come on, guys. Let's go. 1,000 bucks. A little more. I'm out.
Order filled.
Beautiful, guys. Come on. Beautiful. Celebration time. Guess what? That was a great trade. That was a great trade, guys. Although it's just a challenge account, I'm still happy. So, Ticktick Trader payout, if it's your first payout, then it could be around 3 business days, 3-4 business days. If it's your second or any subsequent payout, then it should be, you know, about 48 hours. For example, on live, I got paid in a couple of hours, but that was on Straight to Funded Plus live account from our Trade-of-8. This is the platform. We've touched this level, guys. I told you about it. But now the question comes if there is going to be a rejection or we simply continue the movement downwards. That's a pretty heavy rejection. Almost. It's like 90 points down. Thank you, guys. Yeah, well, the reaction for the moment is not significant. It's not really convincing, the bulls. 30 seconds to go for this candle. We should have been above the 200s, and I would have categorized that one as a decent reaction. BTC is doing something else. Oh, look at the Russell 2000s. Oh, Nvidia as well. S&P might go down to fill up the entire gap, 840s. So then watch Nasdaq coming all the way to 200 EMA, 120s, and I would still not exclude the possibility, but that's kind of deep into the 30s, right? The daily opening. I think any push is going to be reshorted. Any push. Yeah, for the 5 minute is a good candle to still hold onto your shorts. If we get a couple of points to the upside, it's not a problem shorting it. Thank you guys, by the way, for joining. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord, and of course, join the giveaway. We got 2 giveaways today. The 500 bucks cash and the 50k Ticktick Trader 1. We have 1,225 drawdown right now. Yeah, so I told you earlier that I'd like to share with you the accounts that are pretty close to the payout. One more day needed with 70 bucks. These are the accounts for those of you that are not familiar. This is happening on Lucid Trading. Careful with your accounts. So this is 150k Lucid direct accounts, right? Lucid direct accounts, instant funding, 150k, 20% consistency, end of the day drawdown, maximum loss $6,000. You gotta do that 6% target, which is exactly what we made, $9,000. But because I made a little more than the consistency, I have to make another $70. So that's going to be perfect for tomorrow, $70, and we're locking in a $9,000 payout from 3 accounts of $3,000 each. Absolutely lovely, guys. We just started on 27th with Lucid, and that's going to be 8 business days or 7 business days, right? We need 8 trading days. We have 6. I think we'll need 2 more, if I'm not wrong. 2 more. So we will do another $5 day, and that's it. We touched the daily volume with an average price on 150s, and we have a little reaction, but still. I'm afraid with the S&P coming all the way, closing up the gap on the Monday, 840s. And that should take Nasdaq lower. Right? Looking at this level here, 125 with the Nasdaq. Looks interesting for a long. 125. Thank you guys for joining, by the way. $500 for the giveaway. There's always a discount going on for Lucid, for example. The Lucid Direct are 30% discount right now. And the Lucid Test, there is a huge one on the 50K. $74, no activation fee. Coupon code SCRAMBLE at the checkout. No activation fee, $74. If you want to do challenges. If you don't want to do challenges, then obviously your Lucid Direct accounts, it's 30% right now. Thank you guys, appreciate it. So let me tell you how many people do we have on the list today. 207. $207 joined the giveaway. Still wondering if I can do something on this Lucid test here. Look
Order
at the 1
filled.
minute, guys. If it gives a nice pump, could get a couple of points to the upside from here if it has energy, but looks like no. Looks like no. Looks like it's still weak.
Order filled.
Come on, let's go for it. 2,300 for my target. Give me a nice spike. You know, I told you about the 200s. That's a level that I wanted to see for my previous target. Now, a retest of the 200s wouldn't be bad. Oh my god. What a weak market condition out there. Nasdaq is pushed down by the S&P. There should have been a continuation on that previous candle close, guys. That was pretty powerful. You know, it's a lucid test. I'll leave this down to the max loss if that's the case, and that's it, right? Couple of test accounts. Does not even matter our stop loss here. 400 bucks max loss. Come on. We had a great reaction there earlier. Shouted for a continuation. But the bears are still there, guys. This is not really that convenient. Unless we get a surprise here. Good morning. Welcome, guys. You know, if we cross 181, I'm going break even. We have a good opportunity once again here for a spike. Come on, I want to go break even. $181. Are we capable, guys? What's wrong with the markets? So weak. So weak. I'm gonna trade some Savius after this. No break even. Not today. Come on. It's not looking good. It's the same thing. Miracle takes it up from here. Otherwise, the price action screams manipulation big time. Come on, just dip below so I can move to my Quant Tower with Savius. Today's priorities with the $9,000 payout accounts. This is not simply capable of much. VWAP is there, but it's actually
Order
too
filled.
low for us. There you go, 700 bucks down. Good. Let's take care about more different things, way more important things. There you go. We broke below, and it's the VWAP here, so I'm testing basically that 2 contracts long. 2 minis. I'm only going to trade this account. Looks like it's continuing. Only trading this account on Savius. You can have 5 on Savius, but only trading this. And then we're starting the giveaway. $125. Doing a limit order entry. Putting my stop loss below the wick. And now all the way above 150s. Come on. I'm selling 2 contracts on 150. Keep going. Moving break even. It has been touched, so I can rebuy cheaper. 2 contracts. 135, we got it a little cheaper. Yep. Back into 4 contracts. Five. Let's go. That 144, that's the only thing you gotta cross. Break even, putting the stop loss. It was a beautiful starting of this candle. Keep going, buddy. And the target has been touched, $1,500. Look at that. Daily net P&L shown on the right side. $1,500, celebration time. This is exactly what should have happened on our Lucid test accounts. You know, it's never mine, of course, but I was not sufficiently patient for my 125. Boom. I told you about the 125 right here on the chart, right? Let me share with you. Here you have it, guys. 125. That's exactly what I told you. So a limit order here and an exit right now is 20 points. You don't need more on 5 minis. 5 minis is $100 per point. 20 points is $2,000. You can nicely walk away with that from an instant reaction. It doesn't mean the markets from here will go straight back to 250s, but the instant reactions, they do appear from pivot levels, certain meaningful levels, they do appear. And if you're going bigger contracts on limit orders, that movement that appears, it's actually valuable and sufficiently valuable to you. Great. Exactly. Here we are, guys. I don't want to say who the hell cares about the Lucid test accounts when you have a $9,000 payout on the Lucid direct accounts. And let me tell you what's the problem, guys. The problem is the Lucid direct account, and it's a huge problem. I'll tell you why. Lucid direct accounts, which are the instant funded, this is how their payout works. The first cycle is 6% for both models. 6% is your target, right? The 9,000 is 6% from 150K. So you got to do 6%. But your second cycle is 3%. So I only have to do $4,500 for my second cycle and any subsequent on these 3 accounts and keep cashing out 9,000 each round. Right? So we start printing, guys, because 4,500 is tremendous. You cut my profit goal by half. Why? Why do you do that? Think about it. Why do you do that? So second target is just 3% away. On the 50K is at 5% away. But the big deal is on the 150K, guys. Once you cross your first payout, it's going to be only 3% to be made. And you're taking out big money with that. We're done trading. Sharing the registration link one more time. Sharing the registration link one more time. Welcome, guys. Wish you the best out there. Thank you so much for joining. A lot of the people join in our Discord. Make sure to join our Discord, guys. That's the place we're building the community. Let me tell you something. Ticktick Trader, no consistency is insane. It's great, 150k Lucid direct instead of a test. Well, if you're going to direct, of course, you can make money a lot faster. I'll share with you what are the differences. You don't need to pass a challenge in a Lucid direct, and simply by touching your Lucid test target, you're actually in a direct account achieving the payout level. Let's just, look at this number, guys. The Lucid test 150k is, $210 indeed with my coupon code BEST. The profit target is at 9,000. It's the same 6%. Make this $9,000 in a Lucid direct exactly like I made, and you cash out 3,000. Meanwhile, on a Lucid test, you just become funded. And then you start making money on the Lucid Pro, which is the funded version of the Lucid test. So, of course, it's 210 compared to the 504. What's the difference? The difference is $300 in the price. But what's the difference as a reward? The difference as a reward is $3,000. You pay $300 more, but you get $3,000 by making the same money. Meanwhile, on the other side, with a test, it's cheaper, yet you have to trade more and better. It's cheaper for a reason. Exactly. Ticktick Trader is a great company. They've been online for 3 years, guys. More than 3 years. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Great to see you. Okay, so we're getting close. We're getting close. We're getting close. We're getting close to that point of the stream. Let me just quickly write down the rules. Let me quickly write down the rules. Time for the giveaway, guys. Time for the giveaway. Time to have some fun and enjoy. So you gotta listen to me. Be subscribed. Like the video, guys. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell. We're streaming from 8 a.m. EST time. No issue. No issue. No issue with them at all. I'm just with different companies. Alright, so like the video, be subscribed to my channel, join the Discord. You gotta join the Discord. If you're not a member of the Discord, you're not gonna be able to claim your prize. Simple like that. And this is $500, guys. So we're gonna give, from the first giveaway we do today, we're gonna give this $500 to a single person. And the payment is going to be made today, guys. I'll tell you at the end, right? So good luck, everyone, but you gotta listen. So I will include everyone in the duck race. Everyone that joined by completing the form on the giveaway. Every single person that have signed up will be on the duck race. I'll take the first 5 winners of the duck race and have a second round of duck race. And ye are going to qualify for rank number 1 out of that first 5 from the second round, right? So that is going to be the winner. From the second round, when we only run 5, winner is going to take it all. Right? So, first things first, all the guys will be participating. And then the top 5 will go to the second round. 225 have signed up, which means we're going to have 225 on the list. Let me share with you. Right? Here we have the giveaway participants, and we scroll down, and you will be able to see we have 226 right now. 226 at the bottom, you can see that, have joined. I'm going to extract all the names and put you on the giveaway list, right? Let me just quickly extract everything. Export basically this list. Give me a minute or two, right? It's going to happen pretty quickly. A minute or two. And I'm exporting the list. In the meantime, like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Yeah, top one is good as well. 55% basically with my code. Quantum, 55% with my code. So 5% from the original price is much bigger. Right? I'm exporting the list. Give me a minute, guys. Takes a little bit of a time out there. And here we go. We just exported the list. And I am putting this list actually we have 229 so far. $229 so far. Right. 229 so far. Give me a little bit. Okay. So here we are. Someone just put its link, which is not valid. A link is not valid. We need a username. So this person with the link is going to be eliminated. 228. You need to put your... Someone just put an email, which is again not good. You got to be with your username, which is discoverable by having the... Just write a message in the chat and you see your username. Beautiful. 226, guys. You're going to compete for a minute. $500 in cash. You're going to compete for a minute. The first five will qualify for second round. And the winner of the second round will be the grand prize winner. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Let's go. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Come on. The first 5 winners of this duck race will enter the second round. And the winner of that will actually take the 500 bucks. Come on, guys, let's go. If you have signed up, your name is gonna be on the giveaway list. If you have signed up and you're part of this. Come on. 20 seconds to go. The first 5. You gotta be amongst the first 5, guys. Someone is gonna speed up from behind in the last 5 seconds. Look at that one. The first 5. Oh, look at this, guys. And what we have here. Ranked number 1, but then we have the first 5 listed right there. Those are the first 5 that will qualify for the second round. Hey, congratulations. Beautiful. So Bob Shen. I'm making a list with this, guys. We got Maddie. Congratulations, Maddie. Hey. We got a third one, Day. Trader, 402. $420. Congratulations, guys. Hey, Mr. Dunn. Let's find it out. And the last one, City Crafty. Beautiful. So you guys will compete for a minute. And the winner of this will actually take the $500. The winner of this will take the $500. Come on, guys. Wish them good luck. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, guys. Start right now. Look at that one. Who's gonna take that $500? Who's gonna take that? 30 seconds to go. Pretty sweet. These are the 5 guys. Exactly. Keep streaming, guys. Come on. Keep screaming. There you go. 15, 14, 10 seconds to go. Someone is speeding up with pink. And I think we got the winner. Or what is it going to happen? Oh, this is getting pretty hot out here. But Bob, we got you, Bob. Hey, $500 right there. Hey, Bob Shan. There you go. 500 bucks. Hey. Are you here? Are you here, Bob? There you go. Congratulations. $500. You gotta reach out to me on Discord, buddy. You gotta reach out to me on Discord, private message. Beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. And today, we still have a $50,000. 50 grand. Ticktick Trader giveaway. Straight to funded plus 50 grand instant funding account. We're gonna do the same thing like we did in the first giveaway, because Badger is not here today to help us scrap the list from the wheel. Badger is not here. Once Badger resumes, we're gonna do the numbers games, but now today, once again in the second giveaway, everyone is gonna be on the list with the duck race, and we are doing the same thing. KYC. There you go. So, here's the entire list, 230. This is the updated current list. You guys will compete for a minute. This is a $50,000 Ticktick Trader account. We're gonna shuffle this once. The very first 5 will qualify for the second round. We do this thing today. Let's go. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Finally, this way, everyone made it on the duck race. That's the most beautiful part, If at the end, when you complete your form, at the end you receive that thank you message, it means you're on the list. Look at that. First 5 will qualify second round. This way, everyone is in the duck race. No one can get upset about it. Not gonna be able to blame your luck this way anymore, guys. 10 seconds to go. Come on. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Happy kids. You're certainly on the list. But then we've got Rue, Randy, Omu, and Genius. Look at that one, guys. Hey. Congratulations for that. Congratulations for that. Let me quickly scrap this list as well. We got you, happy kids. So the very first 5 will be and we got Genius 7072, right? There you go. Time for the 5. Good luck, guys. Good luck, everyone. $50,000. Take these later straight to funded account. Come on. Let's go. And we got happy kits. There you go. Look at that. Hey. Congratulations, buddy. This is a 50K account to you. Exactly. That's you, buddy. That's you. Of course. Wow. Look at that one, guys. Look at 50K straight to funded plus. Today, we also gave out $500, the first payout from our... Yes, you messaged me on Discord, the first payout from our live trading account on Ticktick Trader. Nice. Nice, guys. It was a lovely stream. Truly appreciate it for onboarding, having a great time. And keep in mind, we have $70 to be made and we go for a $9,000 payout from Lucid. That's really gonna feel nice. So, careful. Wish you the best week out there. Blessings, peace, and looking forward to it tomorrow, 8 AM EST time we continue. Have a lovely day, guys. Have a beautiful time. Careful.